Hi, blissfulness everyone, it's your girl Nix. And for those who don't know me, I'm your natural natty sister. Today I'm going to show you how I made my favorite Betty's condensed milk with nutmeg. So this is a replica of Betty's condensed milk. It's not the exact thing, but it's the homemade one, and I want to show you how I made it. So I made this morning, and I wanted to show you how I made my condensed milk right in your home with just 2 ingredients. All right, this is my condensed milk. It's been in the fridge, so it's gone a little bit harder, but this is my Betty's condensed milk. And if you know Betty and you're from the Caribbean, you know Betty has nutmeg in her condensed milk. So that's what I've done. So I've added a little twist to it so you can see how I've made it. All right, come and join me and I'll show you how it's done. And it tastes just like Betty's. We're going to be using 200 grams of xylitol, 300 grams of milk powder, 200 grams of xylitol. Remember, this is a no sugar condensed milk. So now I'm going to weigh out my milk powder, which I need 300 grams. That's all the milk powder, guys. All right, so this is going to be a bit grainy. So I'm going to show you how to get this less grainy. All right, we're going to move on and we're going to add our water to our xylitol. I'm going to see how much it works out to. Then I'm going to add it to my xylitol to melt it. All right, that's what we're going to do. So now we're going to add our 90 grams of water here. Okay, Dad, that looks all right. Okay, and then now we're just gonna add it. All right, and we're gonna stir it. We're gonna stir and dissolve this. Okay, I'm gonna make sure this is really dissolved. I think I'm gonna just use a little bit more. I think I'm gonna add at least 120. So I'm just gonna add 30 more grams to it. Right. So we've added 120 grams of boiling water. All right, guys. Just we're gonna stir, getting all dissolved. And after we've dissolved, I'll show you what to do next. And now I'm gonna get my nutmeg open and get it prepared to add it to my condensed milk. All right, this is gonna be a replica of Betty nutmeg condensed milk. Okay, so I keep the kernels in here for medicine. All right, and then you're gonna throw away this bit. All right, now I'm just gonna grate up my nutmeg. All right, it's around a teaspoon of nutmeg, guys. All right, you don't have to add it to it, but I want to recreate the Betty's condensed milk from Jamaica, so I'm going to do the nutmeg one and also the plain one. So I'm going to divide them. All right, so now I'm just gonna add my powder to my liquid. Then we're gonna blend them up. Okay, and the twist is no sugar used. See that already, guys? You see that already? Stop, make peace. Probably need a little bit more water, what do you think? Innit? Wow, this is gonna be some thick condensed in it. Just mix mixing and see how we go from there. I don't really want to add no more water to it. I want to see how thick it gets first, then we can work with it. All right. Probably this is too thick. All right, let me just get a little bit of water. No, that bit better. All right, move this over here. You can see this. Definitely smell like milk powder. Why? Just mix him up with my fork. Okay. All right, guys. See that? Okay. So now we're gonna add this to our blender. All right. We're gonna put this into our blender and blend for around 3 minutes, and then I'll show you what to do next. So guys, don't forget to add your vanilla when you're making up your condensed milk with your nutmeg and spices. Don't forget to add it, all right? Because I forgot to mention it to you from the beginning. So I don't want you to get comfortable not thinking about your vanilla. It's vanilla and nutmeg, all right? After 3 minutes, you're supposed to be looking like this. Okay? It's still a bit warm. So I'm gonna do the second stage now. All right? And tasting. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, wanna stay there watch me. Wanna stay there watch me and do what you need to do too. Get your blender out. Alright. Remember something tell you know. Jesus, that tastes it tastes just like condensed milk, guys. Alright, come see what I do next. I'm gonna add my condensed milk to the pot. And this is how you're gonna get the graininess out. There's no graininess in there at the moment. It tastes really good. But I know the feeling. It tastes like powder. Alright, I'm just gonna make it heat up a little bit more and melt out all the grains, and then I can store it. Right, guys, so we are finished. So this is our condensed milk. Let me get a spoon to show you. This is our condensed milk at the moment. See that? So it's gonna need to cool down because it's a little bit warm still. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my condensed milk to my milk jar, and then I'm gonna put this one in the fridge. All right, I'm gonna put that one in the refrigerator. Tastes delicious. So this is our homemade condensed milk. All right, I'm going to be mixing my nutmeg into my condensed milk here. So I'm just gonna add a teaspoon of nutmeg, and then I'm just gonna mix it around. You can add less if you want, but I like nutmeg, and you can add mixed spice as well to suit your taste. All right, so that's it. And now I'm gonna pour my condensed milk. So putting the condensed milk in the fridge is going to cool it down and make it thicker. I'll show you. So I'm making my hot cocoa, and I'm going to be adding a spoon of my nutmeg condensed milk. Wow. I'm just going to mix the cocoa in because it takes a while to dissolve. So I'm just going to mix it into a paste. And then I'm going to add my hot water. All right? Oh, I can smell the nutmeg, guys. Guys, this smells amazing. The nutmeg and the vanilla just bring out the flavors in the cacao. Ow! A nice hot cup of cocoa. Oh, this reminds me of Jamaica when I first went back to Jamaica, and they were selling Betty condensed milk in the little sachet packs, and I bought like 2 packs of like around 24 in a hit, and I brought it back. Some little ones where I used to work, I used to take them to work and make my little, I used to drink coffee at the time, but now I'm drinking hot cocoa. This is cacao actually, really healthy. Wow. All right. The next video you see, I'm going to make the vegan alternative to condensed milk. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and come back for more. So check this video out up here. If you no longer use sugar, I'll show you what to do with it. All right. And the one down here, oh, you need to watch this one if you're over 40s. All right. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon. You gotta make this, guys. You have to. You gotta start saving some money.
But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a style.